Għad-disa sena konsekuttiva Malta kien il-lok mażul għall-Isle of MTV. Ftit sigħat biss qabel il-kunċert, l-artisti tkellmu dwar il-preżenza tagħhom f'pajjiżna u l-aspirazzjonijiet tagħhom kemm għall-kunċert u anke għall-karriera. Id-DJ żagħżugħ Martin Garrix stqar li kull darba li jitla fuq il-palk iħossu nervuż, iżda dan ma jżommux lura milli jaħdem biex ikun artist differenti minn artisti oħrajn.
I think in the end it's all about how much time and how much effort and how much work you put into something. So my number one advice would be spend as many time as you can in the studio working on trying to get better, trying to improve your sound, trying to find your own sound.
Minnaħa tiegħu u mistqar li sissa Malta huwa l-pajjiż favorit tiegħu.
Well, actually, I've never heard of the place.
Well, welcome.
Yeah, we only have a drink in Jamaica called Malta. That's the only Malta I know.
This is different.
This is different, definitely different. It's beautiful.
Well,
Il-kantanta Tori Kelly stqarret li tinsab kuntenta li waslet sawn wara li kisbet l-ewwel suċċessi tagħha fix-xena mużikali biss permezz ta' kanzunetta cover version.
The fact that it's actually happening is still very surreal for me, and but it's also exciting. I have to just accept that this is my life now.
Il-band Amerikana Echo Smith li hija magħmula minn erbaħwa fissru din l-esperjenza daqs li kieku vaganza ma' tal-familja u wkoll qalu li joġbithom Malta.
The food is incredible, and the sunsets are so beautiful. Like we watched it on the water last night, so that was just unreal. And food and sunsets are like two of my favorite things anyway, so pretty cool.
I have to agree with that. I did last night a little bit, just walk around like right around here, and it's cool to see like I ran to like 5 like really beautiful cathedrals, and just like there's so many like these like old churches here. So yeah, it's like food, water, old buildings. It's really great.